#1 award-winning affiliate shows how to make money online in 2020. Are you fed up with all the internet gurus that don't know jack? Then get ready to meet someone who's the real deal. This is Robbie Blanchard, a Platinum Award-winning ClickBank affiliate. That means he's generated over $500,000 in a single year. However, Robbie has achieved Platinum not just once, but 3 times in a row. He's also the official world #1 ClickBank affiliate in 2019. In short, if you want to break free from the 9 to 5 and make money online with ClickBank, Robbie is the man to go to. However, life wasn't always easy. Only 5 years previous he was a personal trainer, struggling to pay the bills. Then Robbie started running ads on Facebook and his life turned around. It was a bit bumpy at first and Robbie admits that he sometimes lost money, but he was determined not to give up. Robbie is offering free training to show you in 3 simple steps how you could make $1,000 plus per day. Laptop Life Success has partnered with Robbie to bring you this free training and help you achieve financial freedom in 2020. For details visit laptoplifesuccess.com/hero.